So start taking care of you. Eating nutritious meals, willing to exercise your body, taking care of this body, loving yourself. So do some good stuff for yourself on purpose. Take some time out for you.
If you want to be rewarded, if you want to have something valuable in your life, you have to understand that there's going to be discomfort, and you just deal with it.
You ain't gonna die. At the end of pain is success. You're not gonna die because you feeling a little pain.
You must work on yourself continuously. Never be satisfied with yourself.
Set a high standard, raise that standard systematically, grow, push yourself to grow on a daily basis, evaluate yourself often, and get addicted to that feeling. And then when the results come, let them pour in. And sometimes they won't, but you got to stay even keel.
You got to be willing to do whatever it takes to see your dreams through.
So you got to be willing to get outside your comfort zone. You've got unlimited potential. You can put effort on you, and by concentrating on you and developing you, you can transform your life wherever you are right now.
You have a chance, you have an opportunity to literally change, to transform what you're getting in your life.
I will do whatever I have to be successful. And my determination is going to make that happen. I will work harder. I will train longer. I will do things that nobody else will put themselves through.
Start encouraging yourself. Start saying, I can do this. I can make this happen.
Do all that can be done each day.
Anybody can do it when it's easy. Anybody can do what they should do when it's easy. But when it's tough, when you're busy, when you have to actually take deliberate time out of your schedule, when you have to reschedule things to do it, that's when it's tough. That's when you discipline yourself.
Do what you can do. But start, man. Just get started today. Stop delaying it. Every time you put it off, you seem further away from it, don't you? Why won't you start?
You say to yourself, I don't feel like it today. I'll do it tomorrow. No. Make yourself do it. Make yourself